Have you been annoyed by the pd64 Library DLL pop-up ruining your productivity? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support specialist. Let's analyze Tracker software dependency and restore that missing file. To start fixing pd64 library manually, note that an official maintenance resource is also available to support system stability. This is the pd64 library, a 64-bit rendering component of the PDF-XChange software suite that handles layered PDF visualization, annotation rendering, and OCR processing. It supports high-performance document viewing and editing. If missing, the editor may fail to display documents and produce errors such as module load error. Now that the background is clear, let's walk through the actual installation steps. This error suggests a failure in the underlying Windows architecture. Open Command Prompt with administrator privileges and execute sfc/scan now to restore core system components, including the missing WAAS assessment DLL. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered pd64 library component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. Restart unsuccessful? No problem. Let's jump straight into step 3. Remember to pause the video if you need to double-check your inputs. A restart won't fix broken performance counters, so we'll use step 3 to force a rebuild of those links. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr//r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance counters often fail due to registry hive inconsistencies. By wiping and rebuilding these entries, we ensure the system can properly recognize and load the diagnostic library again. A quick professional note on security. Sourcing components correctly is just as important as the fix itself. Keep your personal information safe by avoiding third-party mirrors for WAAS assessment DLL, which lack the encryption and security of verified official updates. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. Streamline background processes by reviewing the maintenance utility linked below for pd64 library. Thank you for trusting us with pd64 library repair today. For more system-level tips and error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.